Hello kids. Today we are going to see 5th class EVS 7th lesson Forest Tribals question answers. First conceptual understanding a bit. Tribals mostly live in the forest. Why? Tribals not only use the forest as a resource for fulfilling their basic needs, but they also use it as a means of livelihood. They collect nature produce such as dry and fallen wood for fuel, small timber, bamboos, nuts, berries, bones, hide, skins and herbs, etc. as a source of income. So they live in the forest. Next, Bibit. Tribals mostly use natural products. Why? Answer. Tribals live in forest and depends on the products available in forest for their livelihood. Since all the products available in forest are natural products, so they depend on natural products only. Cbit. We should protect the forest. How and why? Answer. We should protect the forest by not cutting the trees in the forest, planting a sapling in place of the trees which were cut down. We should protect the forest because forest brings us rain. They give us different fruits, roots, tamarind, honey, and many other such products. Many animals and tribal people live in the forest. Trees take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen to protect environment. A lot of herbal medicines are available from the plants of the forest. They help in preventing soil erosion. Next D1. Write the differences between the food taken by the chenchus and you. Answer. Chenchu's food is quite different from our food. They depend mainly on forest for their food. They collect different fruits like custard apple, mango, jamun, etc. Different roots and tamarind from forest and take them as food. They even hunt forest pigs, deer, etc. We generally eat cooked food and we won't hunt animals in the forest. Next, EBIT. Write your opinion on fairs. Fair is usually termed as a gathering of people for certain entertainment or commercial activities. The fairground is an area with hundreds of temporary shops selling various products to people who have gathered to visit the fair. The village fair is usually marked as hawkers selling toys and sweets. In our state, usually a fair is organized during festivals. Some fairs like book fair, trade fair, travel fair, etc. may occur other than a festival and sell products related to the specific theme. Okay, next one. G. Differentiate between agriculture and jum farming. Answer. Differences between our agriculture and jumming cultivation are agriculture, insecticides and pesticides are used. Jumming, insecticides and pesticides are not used. Next point, crops are grown on the lands for centuries. In jumming, after growing 2 or 3 crops, another land is selected. Under agriculture, third point, we use chemical fertilizers to increase the fertility of the soil. Under jumming, using chemicals are not allowed. Okay, these are the points. Next one, H. Forests have more animals. Why? Animals need food and water for their survival. In cities, because of humans, they cannot live like their lifestyle is. Trees in forest is the food of herbivore animals and they become the food of carnivorous animals. In the river and pond, they get water and hence the forest become a perfect habitat for wild animals. Okay, next one. IBIT. Is biodiversity more in forest or in agricultural fields? Why? Forests are the most diverse ecosystems on land because They hold the vast majority of the world's terrestrial spaces. By this, we completed conceptual understanding. Next, everything you can try on yourself, on your own. If you have any notes, you can comment. I'll try to reply you. Bye, kids.